Dorena, you guys have an active, digital assistant that is on your WhatsApp as well as your web chat. But I want to understand maybe just, how is AI changing that customer engagement right now?
If you look at our own journey, the progression tells the story. We started with the web chat, we moved to WhatsApp, introduced the Interbot, and then unified everything with the omnichannel. And each step has provided more intelligence, more automation, and more data. And that's not a journey that started recently. It's been building for years. But the thing that changed is AI has moved from being something that you bolt onto to something that runs through the entire engagement experience. It's how we route the queries, how we respond to customers, how we train our agents, and increasingly how we anticipate what a customer needs before they even make contact. So Callbee is a good example of that. We're not just recording calls anymore. We're extracting insights from every single conversation to make the next one better. So to businesses who feel like they've missed this wave, you haven't. The fundamentals still apply. You should know your customer, you should meet them where they are, and you should make every interaction feel like you know who they are. AI just gives you better tools to do that at scale. So the businesses that are behind aren't the ones who adopted AI late. They're the ones who adopted it without a clear customer engagement strategy underneath it. The technology only works if the thinking is right first.
Dorena,